Welcome to SQL Basics. My name is Marcel. Let's dive right in. What is data? Data is a table. That's literally it. Nothing crazy, nothing wild, just a table like this. What is data analysis? While Hollywood and media may have you think that it's some esoteric skill that only hackers and secret agents might have, we'll see that it's actually quite simple. Let's try an example. Let's say our data is about students in schools, as we have here, and I want to know which school gives the kids the highest grades. And I find out it's UCLA. What I just did was data analysis. See, nothing crazy. Okay, fine, but how did I do that? If I have hundreds of schools, each with thousands of students, then how could I possibly go through and check this myself? This is where SQL comes into play. SQL is just a language you can use to ask computers questions about data, like the one we asked before. It might seem strange because computers don't speak the way humans do, and sometimes it can be even frustrating because computers don't have common sense and will take everything you say literally. But once you learn the basics, you can get all sorts of information from data. This will let you turn a question from English into SQL so the computer can understand. And the way computers respond is always with data. So really all they do is turn big tables that we can't read into smaller tables that we can. Over the course of the next few videos, we'll go over the key phrases called clauses that SQL understands. These clauses are in sequence, select, from, where, group by, having, and finally, order by. If you have trouble remembering this sequence, just think soft, furry wolves go howling overnight. This picture should help you remember. So let's go back and ask our original question. Which school gives its kids the highest grades? And we can turn that into SQL like this. You'll learn this and much more. Unlike other coding tutorials, we will even dive in visually and show you step by step what SQL does behind the scenes, like what you're seeing now. This way, you will truly understand how these questions translate into data. Then, as you learn, check out the link in the description for a free online tool where you can try out these skills as you learn them and see it all in action. Thank you for starting your data adventure here with me, and I'll see you next time where we'll start the simplest and most important clause, the select clause. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.